project is called Machine Learning for Sentiment Analysis. So what is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is the process of using a computer system to identify and characterize a specific opinion that expressed in a text. With the massive amount of data available online, there is a growing demand for machines and algorithms that are able to perform sentiment analysis with high accuracy. As a solution to this problem, we propose a machine learning algorithm that can be used for a business case as well as a military application.
So what is a neural network? A neural network is a computer system that's modeled after the human brain. So essentially we're trying to create an algorithm that would mimic how the human brain learns. And this is done using something called an artificial neuron. So these neurons are essentially computational units that would calculate a weighted sum of their inputs, add a bias, and then decide whether or not that neuron should be activated. So put in simpler terms, the neuron is deciding which information is relevant, and from that it's producing an output. So when we connect many layers of neurons together, we create a neural network. Patterns are presented to the network through the input layer, which then communicates with one or more hidden layers where the actual processing is done. The hidden layers then link to an output layer where the output is the answer that we're looking for. So in order to build our own neural network, we looked at the research that's currently being done in this field in order to determine which models were producing the highest accuracy. The literature suggested that a joint architecture of a recurrent and convolutional neural network could achieve accuracies as high as 90% for sentiment analysis. So we decided to build our own architecture after this type of model, and after many iterations, we ended up with a final accuracy of 86% for our business intelligence case.
So for training and testing our model, we use the Stanford Sentiment 140 dataset, which is a benchmark dataset that's used in machine learning for sentiment analysis. It's made up of 1.6 million human tweets and annotated as either being positive or negative. We built our network using popular machine learning library called TensorFlow. One of the benefits of TensorFlow for machine learning is that it abstracts away from the fine details or algorithm implementation and allows the developer to focus on the logic. After our model was finalized, we deployed to Amazon Web Services, which allows other users to input their own data for analysis. The user can see the system output in the form of data visualizations. These include being able to search Twitter for specific words and phrases and seeing how the sentiment of these tweets changes over time. The user can also see the percentage of tweets that were positive and negative and the type of device that the user tweeted from.